That's right, Viotech Air Maxes, the 2003s, check them out. Not bad. They'll need a sole swap just due to the age of them, but come on guys, how cool are these? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Air Max week, or it's Air Max day, and for that reason we're going to restore some Air Maxes. So if you didn't tune in to the last overnight from Japan, you missed us unbox these, but this is a pair of 2003 Atmos Viotech Air Max 1's. They cost 400 some bucks from a Japanese auction site, which may seem like a lot for these beat up old things, but take a look at what they sell for new. Not only are they expensive, but they're getting hard to find. Check this out. There's only 2 sizes available in StockX right now. So you're probably wondering why. Well, number one, this is by the Japanese retailer Atmos, who has some of the best Air Max collaborations of all time. And this was only their second collaboration of all time. Their first being those Viotech Dunks, you know, the ones that retroed a few years back. Yeah, you guys didn't like the retros, but the OGs, very nice. Yeah, not cheap. So we're going to do this a little bit different. We're going to do these in episodes. So each episode will be a different part of the restoration. And let's talk about what we're going to do overall to the shoe though. Okay, so we're going to take care of a deep clean inside and out. We are going to restore the really faded nappy suede. We're going to take out the creases. We're going to restore the white on the back and get rid of these scuffs. And then finally, we're going to sole swap them because these soles are done. So for those of you that are new, this is Vintage Kicks Gallery. All right, we're gonna get started by pulling out the laces on these because we are going to, well, we're gonna take out everything because we're gonna sole swap them, but we'll get to that part later. All right, now we got the laces out. Let's just throw them in the cleaning solution. And as usual, we're using Angel's Easy Cleaner and some water. I'm going to go ahead and pull the insoles out of these as well because, like I said, we're going to sole swap them. You can tell I'm really excited about this sole swapping and keep bringing it up, but not really looking forward to it, to be honest with you. All right, we're going to get started with cleaning as we always do, just giving the outside a nice light brushing with our regular brush before moving on to the rotary. Get the suds going here. And guys, these are actually pretty clean. They're just really beat up and they're worn. And the soles are cooked. Like I said, I'm gonna keep measuring the soles. All right, this is just basic cleaning 101, but you know, when you have this older suede, occasionally it'll run on you. And if that happens, stop immediately, all right? You're gonna wanna address that immediately. Do not let it dry if this stuff runs. Luckily, these are so far so good. I hope I didn't just jinx myself. All right, now that we got the suds going, let's switch to our rotary brush and really get at it. When cleaning these, the big deal is just to get this stitching clean on the white, because after all, the rest of this is earth tone, so even if it's a little dirty, no one's gonna notice. All right, normally we'd have our adjustable shoe tree in, but since we're sole swapping these, we're actually going to restore the shape at the very, very end, but we'll get there. All right, as usual, I've made a mess, but we need to pull these soles off. And to do that, we need some boiling water, so I'll be right back. All right, to do this, I gotta be careful. I am just going to pour this ever so carefully in the sneaker. I'm gonna fill it up. And now we sit and wait for 3 minutes. So what do you guys want to talk about? All right, guys, generally you want to wait about 3 minutes, like I said. These are already coming apart on their own, so I know we're probably good, but the problem is I don't have any rubber gloves and I'm going to burn myself. So you guys may see me cry and scream, and let's just do it. Okay, now, important thing here. This is awkward, but important thing. If any residue gets on the suede when you do this, take it off while it's hot. Trust me, just take it off while it's hot. Just do it. Well, that was relatively painless. I mean, I'll be okay. All right, now what we're going to do is just put in our adjustable shoe tree, and we're going to make this thing as basically go half size up, and it puts a tight little squeeze on there. And what that's going to do is, as this dries, it's actually going to take out most of our creasing and make that crease removal a lot easier. So another thing you can do right now if you want to is go ahead and give the whole shoe a good rinse. In fact, I'm going to go do that. All right, guys, they're rinsed, they're clean, and this is where we're going to end it today. So next time what we're going to do is we're going to take out these creases. We're going to go ahead and address the suede, and then we'll get on to the paint, and the finale will be that sole that I keep talking about. I know you're excited about that. All right, guys, as always, please like, please subscribe, please share, please just tell somebody about it. All right, see you next time. Bye.